Why is it that the hardest information to track is often the most important, especially the location, condition, and flow of objects that are in motion? At Cloudleaf, we understand that you need to be able to see the condition and flow of everything in your supply chain and where every asset is located. We're transforming supply chain visibility and optimization for enterprises by capturing real-time operations data using our patented approach that leverages sensors, mobile, cloud, and machine learning technologies. By attaching our sensors to your assets, we open the door for continuous real-time coverage. Contextualized location, condition, and flow data of the asset is sent from the sensors to our gateways and fed to the cloud for visualization and analytics. You can then consume the data using our purpose-built dashboards or feed into other enterprise applications you're using for further analysis. Cloudleaf gives you real-time visibility into every aspect of your supply chain so you can make more insightful decisions for your business. Request a free trial kit or learn more about our tracking solutions for your industry at cloudleaf.com.